Hello viewers and subscribers. Today I took out this Altech 72-inch wingspan Pilatus Pc-6 turbo porter to the flying field, and that's the landing gear that is like stock for this plane, and always have been using this landing gear flying this airplane. And today I had a Deadstick landing, and I glided the best I could and got to the ground on the grass somewhere, and the landing was not even too rough at all to begin with, and even according to my dad being the eyewitness of it, but the stock landing gear snapped like this, and I felt a little bummed there. It's like, oh, to get this plane flying, I gotta have a good landing gear now to bolt to the fuselage. And my plans that I have in getting a replacement landing gear for this Pilatus Pc-6 turbo porter is this Phoenix model 120 size Sbach 342 landing gear. And of course, yeah, this Sbach landing gear, came off of my wrecked up 120 size Phoenix model Sbach 342 after I crashed that Sbach back in June of this year. And so one great thing is, so the Sbach plane did have these landing gear halves held onto that fuselage with the use of 1/4-20 wing bolts before. So with getting this to fit onto this Pilatus, I'll try to get into supplying my 4 1/4-20 blind nuts, and I'll try my best to get the right size holes somewhere like down there, and of course epoxy those blind nuts into those holes, and from there, so I'll get this landing gear halves bolted to this Pilatus with the use of 4 individual 1/4-20 nylon wing bolts, and that hopefully I can do things properly with installation and correct alignment and all that stuff of those 1/4-20 blind nuts. And hope you viewers and subscribers enjoy my talk about getting a replacement landing gear going on this Altech 72-inch wingspan Pilatus Pc-6 turbo porter. Thank you.